Hello everyone. So let's start with the understanding of how do we open an Excel sheet. So when you're learning Excel 2016, this would be the first step, that is opening an Excel sheet. So I'm going to show you two ways, simple ways of doing so. So let's start with the first approach that we are going to follow. So first of all, go to the start button over here. Okay, so I'll click on this. And I currently have Windows 8 going on my system. So I'll click on this arrow over here and I'll look for Excel 16. So here it is. These are all the programs which are installed and I want to start an Excel sheet. So I'm going to click on Excel 2016. And here can you see there's an option for opening a blank workbook. These are some of the templates which are provided by Microsoft. So since we now want to start with Excel spreadsheet, we want to open a new Excel spreadsheet. So I'm going to click on this. So please click on the blank workbook and your Excel sheet is now open. So this is how the Excel sheet looks like. We are going to see what exactly this portion is called. What are this and this called? We are going to take a look at this in some of the future tutorials. So this is how you can open your Excel sheet. You can start typing anything in this. You can save it or you cannot save it. So this is first approach that we saw for opening an Excel sheet. So I'm just closing it as we do not want to save it. I'll click on don't save. If you have done some editing or you have typed something in it and you want to save it, you can click on the save button. So I'm just clicking on do not save or don't save. So this was the first approach wherein you open an Excel sheet. And the second approach that I'm going to show you is quite simple. I mainly use this approach. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click. Okay, with the help of mouse, I'm going to right click and can you see the new button over here? So once I keep my mouse over here, there are different options which are given. Okay, so since we want to open a Excel worksheet, I'll click on this second last option for opening Microsoft Excel worksheet. Okay, so once I click on it, you will find that the Excel sheet will be opening. Again, we have the Excel sheet now open for us, and again you can start typing anything in this. You can do your formatting and you can save the worksheet. So quite simple ways of opening an Excel worksheet. Either you can start it from the start menu over here or you can just right click on the desktop and open the Excel worksheet. So this was our first step. Hope you have understood it. Quite simple. So now let's try to understand the format of how the Excel sheet looks like. We are going to continue with this in our next tutorial.